Good afternoon, fellow anglers. Today we are on an adventure. I can't tell you specifically what's going to happen because that's always up in the air, and that's the beautiful thing about fishing. Even if you're specifically targeting something, you never really know what can happen. But today we are on my very, very beloved Chicago River. I'm going to go for bass. The plan today is, well, weightless worms. I'm very intrigued. If you remember a while back ago, I mean, senkos took the world by storm. Everybody who was a bass fisherman was throwing a senko. So we're gonna toss weightless worms today, basically along the shoreline. I'm gonna float along the shore. You know, I'm not gonna cast my weightless worms out in the middle of the channel. I'm gonna be sitting in the middle of the channel and casting my weightless worms towards the bank, all these trees that are sitting there, and hopefully we can come away with a big largemouth bass today. I am using only 4-pound test, so that could be an issue, but that's just to be a little bit safe because some of the bass in the Chicago River can be a little line shy. So I am ready, I'm excited, and with this warm temperature, I mean, I'd imagine we would prevail. But we're gonna go for bass, tossing weightless worms today. It's gonna be a weightless worm video, and we're gonna run with that. So stay tuned, please subscribe. So this is a worm hook, and this is a weightless worm. It's actually a senko. I have 4-pound test monofilament on my rod, and because of all the trees and things here, we're gonna weightless fish this worm. Oh yeah. This is a nice fish on the worm, guys. 4-pound test here. He's trying to get me wrapped up. He is a good fish. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. What a monster. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. That's what we're here for. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful chunker. This is an easy 3-pounder. Chicago River bass here. What an epic bass. He hit on that weightless worm. We're just going along these trees and tossing it. I got that little tiny tick. A lot of times you have to watch your line and you'll see that little jump. It's exactly what happened. And look at that, right in the tip of the lip on this rusty looking senko. Legit senko, not a generic one. Look at that fish, guys, wow. Beautiful Chicago River, largemouth bass out here. What a chunker. And this is what we're going here. This is what we're going for today. Largemouth bass, tossing some weightless worms, light line, 4-pound test. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, wow. Check that out, guys. That is awesome. That big old weightless worm. Got this big old crappie too. Very, very nice. This weightless worm is doing its job. Oh. Wow. Check it, guys. This senko is not playing. These are some quality fish. Weightless worm, guys. Just in between all this brush out here. Look at that crappie, wow. What a chunker. It's been pretty quality fish all day today with this weightless worm. The original senko. Got another one on here. Little crappie. Whoa. We are getting thrown in all this brush here. Good fish. They are plowing this weightless worm. There's one. There we are. This weightless worm is just really hidden for us today. That hook is... We are weightless Texas rigging this. I mean, it's a weightless rig, worm hook, it's not wacky rigged. Beautiful Chicago River largemouth bass. I was gonna downsize that worm, but after we started catching those crappie on it, I think I'm just gonna stay with the big worm. Going in. They're tearing these worms to shreds. This is my second worm since I've been fishing today. So out of those crappie, that big bass, and that small bass, we've used 2 worms so far. I do not know the size of this worm hook, so I apologize on that. But that's what we're using. It's an extremely windy day. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Wow. Yes. That's a good one. That's a very good fish there. Oh. What a fighter. We do not have the net today. You see this overturned log right here? Dude was literally sitting right under it. Oh wow. I've caught this bass before. 100%. 100. Is yet another beautiful Chicago River bass on that weightless worm. This thing has been doing epic things for us today. As windy as it is, it does not matter. He's got a little bit of a deformed bottom lip there. I feel like I've caught this fish before. A tribute to the Chicago River system. Big bass thrive. Look at that beautiful fish. Going in for the release, guys. Oh, check that out, guys. Right here, just right here by this laydown where we just saw these turtles. We cast this worm. There's a bass just hanging out right there. Getting the last of this evening sunshine. Look at that. We switched our senko from that bronze one to this green one only because we don't have any more. Look at that beautiful fish. It's awesome, awesome. Largemouth bass, again here on the weightless worm. Absolutely beautiful hits, beautiful fish. You can see the shoreline here. It's all very steep. There's not really any shore access, but really good kayaking access. Going in for the release. thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. It was a great day out here today. Everything's slanted, so I'm trying to grab my footing here. It's kind of hard. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. We caught several bass today. Hell yes. I'm in a river and it was windy as heck today. And even still, these fish were able to find and demolish that slow flowing senko. It's pretty amazing stuff. You saw it firsthand. Appreciate you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll see you guys next week with another jail fishing exclusive. Appreciate the support. Peace. Very, very windy day today, but we got it done.